Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Tube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can disable Facebook Messenger pop-up. So the pop-up generally means the chat set. So how you going to be disabling it? So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Messenger app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. From here, what you need to do is you need to go to this three lines on your top left corner and then go to settings. Once you're over here, just go up and down until you find this chat heads. So by default it will be turned on. You're gonna be doing this, just press on it and it will be turned off, and then it will disable the Facebook Messenger pop-up. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.